Okay, Logan.
Yeah, don't even worry.
Where's Greg?
He's
gonna miss it.
Go get your phone. Greg.
Go ahead.
Brookie ain't ready.
Come on, let's go.
Get up.
No, those aren't it.
Those aren't it.
Oh, they started. Okay, go.
Start looking. Where do you see eggs, Dad? Good job.
We're cleaning house in the kitchen.
Gabby, come here.
I know. Where did she go?
Hey, look at this one. Yeah, right here. Right here. Grab up on top.
All right, let her find them.
She did. I had to open up the door for her. She found the other ones.
Yeah.
You need help with that one, right?
I need a green one.
Okay.
Where's this her body?
Now you got his body.
I know it.
You're not doing any better than me.
Well, because
10. Can you get that?
You got it.
there's Logan.
What?
Oh, now I got your chest.
Here.
Oh, look at it. Good job, Gab.
Come back here.
Guys, stop. Logan, right there. Smile with Gabby. Gabby.
Here's Brookie. Left to her own device in the kitchen.
You'll never find that one egg.
What the?
And look in here. Look under the pillows.
I don't know how many I have.
Where did Logan get? Oh!
That's one. Go find.
What about the other one?
On the window, Gab, on the window. On the window. Oh, over there.
Watch it.
Oh. Did you check all those pillows, baby girl?
Not yet. Can you hold it?
I will.
Where's Brookie? I gotta get Brookie in the shot. Where are you, Brookie Bear? Did Logan get those?
How about underneath the bed?
Oh, what's that right there? Oh, maybe Logan got that too. Boy, he's good.
I found one under his biscuit's blanket.
Ah.
How many you got? Let me see.
Here, Gab. Or did Logan already
14.
get those already too? Oh, you got one? That Logan's fast.
Yeah, I go. Look out, Max 17. Oh, let me in here.
Let me in there. Get in there, Gab.
What?
Get in that closet.
Want some? I got one.
I got Logan with his leg.
Diving.
Oh my god!
Oh, aha!
Oh darn it. 18. I got 14. Oh, I have a million.
Have a million.
Hey.
Oh, sorry. Meant to not open the door.
Oh, you found one in the safe? Just put everything back, that's all.
Yeah, those are important documents in there.
I got a blue one.
Wow.
I got a blue one.
How about in the drawers? Are there any in the drawers?
Watch your head.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers,
Get the
Logan.
bottom drawer, Gab. Bottom drawer.
Watch your head. Somebody's going to get hit in the head. There aren't any there.
No, none in there.
None there? Okay.
What about underneath the dresser?
Brooke, where are you looking?
I already checked under there. There's nothing. Behind Gabby's bag? No. In Gabby's bag?
What about in the living room?
Logan,
There
I
you
told you to check something. You said you already did.
go. Where?
And it's right in there where you said you looked.
Hold on, Dad, look at me.
Hey, Gab.
Look at me, Dad.
What about behind the pillows on the couch?
These are decorations.
One in the shower.
Try the other one.
How many do you have, baby girl? You gotta count.
You gotta count them, baby.
Yeah.
You can only have 24. Let's count.
Yeah, she's doing better than I thought she would. Well, she had a few hints.
Fear of competition.
Yeah.
6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
Some of the hard ones will let them just suffer for a while.
You can keep going.
15. Okay, you can get 6 more.
6 more, okay?
Check the kitchen, honey.
18.
Brooke kind of did a good job. Like,
Yeah, huh? She cleaned house.
I don't know, because I wasn't really watching.
Open doors and stuff.
Yeah,
Check.
take a look around.
No? No? What about on this side?
Where? Ah, she found it under the dog's bed.
Under the dog's bed?
Yeah, that's the one you hit.
Yep. The Easter Bunny.
Let's get it. I mean the Easter Bunny.
Boy, maybe Brookie did wipe it out.
You're missing the obvious.